everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be talking about um, Easter egg in actually the name looks funny, but let me just call it Easter egg in Python tax 9. It says Easter egg actually, but I don't really know why it is Easter egg. What happens to Easter egg? Okay, I don't really know. Okay, but if you have been following my course from the beginning of this Python, you see I've explained a lot more. So today we are talking about uh, the Zen of Python, and this whole concept is trying to introduce us to the fundamentals of importing models. Okay, actually this is not a model, this is just a bunch of EC that is stored inside a particular file called this. So we are importing a file called this, then we are running the file, and we have this output you see over here. So starting from here to this place. So this really works with importing of models to use in our code. So that's what the whole concept is all about. So if we read carefully, write a Python script that prints the Zen of Python by Tim Peters, followed by a new line. So just like what we have here. So we should have a maximum of 98 characters long. Please check with this to see if it is 98 as stated here. So that is that for this project. So we just go over to create that. So the first thing I'm just going to do is I'm just going to copy this part of it like this. So I'll copy that part of it, then because we are going to be running it to see if that works. So the first thing I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to open my terminal, because that's where we always use for our projects whenever we are coding. So I'll just clear screen. So we have a clear screen, so I'm going to navigate inside there to see what we have. So I'm in there already, so just clear my screen. So if we check what we have there, you see we have this bunch of codes inside where we stop at number 8. So we are continuing from number 8, so we are doing tax 9. So I'm just going to do vi, and I'm going to paste that place I have copied, which is Easter egg, or it's Easter whatever dash whatever. Then I'm going to hit enter. So that's the name of the file. So I just created a new file. So inside it I'm gonna put the code for this thing, but I don't like typing this, it's kind of weird. Being I don't know if I'm typing the correct thing, because I usually don't type this but you can actually learn that. So so what is inside this file is just this line of code, which is import then import then the module you want to import into this file. So I'm importing the module called this. So this contains the information about the Zen of Python. That's the model. We have import maths. You can do import maths as something like that. So if you want to be using some maths functions like square root, square, and all those stuff like that, so you need a math functions. But in this situation we are importing this, and this is a module that has essay about a file we are using, so and whatever stuff like that. So I'm just gonna escape this, and I'm going to run wq like that. So if I go ahead and execute this file, so I need to change the mode, ch mode, u plus x like that, and hit enter. So I'm just going to put those /9, and so you can see we have the Zen of Python by Tim Peters. Beautiful is better than ugly, explicit is better than implicit, game, okay, simple is better than complex, complex is better than complicated, flat is better than nested, freeze, and all those stuff. Then we have let's do more of those. So that's all about the tax 9. So it's just importing a file called this, or a module called this, and the module contains a lot of this text on it. So that is that for this course. So if you know that you really enjoy this, oh okay, before I proceed to ending this video, I would like to check out the other stuff that was given there to us. So wc-m, then the name of the file. So let me see, wc then -m, then the name of the file, 9 whatever. Okay, so we have let me see what I'm doing. Okay, so we have, I think I'm seeing 31 here, but I don't know how comes it's 31, but that should be okay. So if you have any correction or any other stuff that you want to explain or you want to add to this list, let us know. God bless you and have a nice day.